This is Isla Mujeres, the island of women, and at its very edge lies Punta Sur. Somewhere off the coast of Cancun, there is a small island where time feels different, where the Caribbean meets ancient Mayan legend, and where the sun touches Mexico before anywhere else.
Finally arrived in Punta Sur. Took the bus. So let's have a look.
The statue you see here, this is Ixchel, the ancient Mayan goddess of childbirth, fertility and medicine. When early explorers arrived here, they found dozens of figures like this, statues of women, symbols of creation and life, and that's why the island was named Isla Mujeres, the island of women. She was a protector representing the moon, fertility, the cycle of nature, and the balance between strength and compassion. Just a few steps from the temple, I come face to face with another symbol of the island, the giant iguana. It might look like just a statue, but here in Isla Mujeres, iguanas are everywhere. Ahead of me now is a sculpture many visitors pause at, a woman seated on a crescent moon. Though this pose isn't recorded as an ancient Maya design here, it carries the weight of the myth. Ixchel, goddess of fertility, medicine and the moon, is forever tied to lunar energy in Maya stories. Sometimes she's shown beside the moon, sometimes with a rabbit, a symbol of rebirth and the rhythm of life. At the very tip of Punta Sur lies the remains of Ixchel Temple, small but scarred. The ocean has taken parts of it over the centuries, but what's left stands strong. Reminder that even the smallest structures can hold the biggest story. When you stand here surrounded by waves and salt, you can almost feel why the Mayan believed this place was touched by the gods. From the temple ruins above, the path winds down towards the very edge of Isla Mujeres, the easternmost point of Mexico. This tunnel wasn't built by people, it was carved by the sea itself. Punta Sur is made of porous limestone, which erodes easily. Over time, the ocean carved arches, caves and small tunnels into the cliffs. The views down here are absolutely incredible, the kind that makes you stop and just breathe it all in. You can see the cliffs stretch out, the turquoise water crashing against the rocks, and the endless horizon beyond. Heading down to the lower level. You gotta be careful, yeah? The sandstone steps are uneven and can get really slippery, especially with the sea spray blowing in from the cliffs. Down below, the water looks incredible, bright turquoise, but don't be fooled. The sea is rough and the waves hide sharp coral just beneath the surface. It's wild and powerful, exactly how the edge of the world should feel. So if you do come to Punta Sur, make sure to venture down the cliffs. It's a bit tricky, the rocks are slippery and the sea's rough, but trust me, the views are worth every careful step. Down here you really feel the power of nature, the kind of beauty you don't see, you feel. Another sculpture of Ixchel, this one painted green and with 4 arms. The star often represents guidance and destiny in various cultures, perhaps alluding to the navigational prowess of ancient Maya. The parrot with vivid colors and intelligent mind symbolize communication, connection between earthly and the divine. At the far southern tip of Isla Mujeres stands Punta Sur lighthouse, Iceland's modern-day guardian. Unlike the ancient stone ruins nearby, the lighthouse has more human touch. Its frame built from wood and concrete, weathered by decades and salt and wind. It's about 10 meters tall, perched high above the Caribbean, the perfect lookout for sailors navigating the reefs that surround this island. The structure we see today was rebuilt after Hurricane Gilbert in 1988, when the original beacon was damaged by the storm. Beyond the lighthouse is a small garden with some coconut trees and views of the sea from the other side. And that's Punta Sur, the southern tip of Isla Mujeres, where the ancient myths meet breathtaking nature, from the temple ruins and the goddess Ixchel to the cliffs, lighthouse and the vast Caribbean horizon. Every step here tells a story. I hope you enjoy exploring the magical place with me. If you like this adventure, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Travel Adventures for more journeys around the world. And if you love discovering hidden gems and incredible views like this, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and until the next adventure, hasta luego!